Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 10 on how to make Five Nights at Freddy's 2 inside Scratch. Inside of today's episode, we're going to be making the time. So let's get started. So let's make a new sprite. I'm going to call this one time. Let's go to upload. Here in FNAF 2 textures, the Office Nights and menu, we're going to grab this little AM right here, so 327. Let's upload this. Okay, just like that. Let's come here and let's fill all of the grey to no fill, just like so. And then let's grab this, Control C, or we don't really need a Control C, so let's just grab this, and I'm gonna click the right arrow key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 times. Just like that. Perfect. Now let's right click duplicate this so we have it 7 times. We have 7 costumes. There we go. So let's go to upload. Let's upload a new costume. Coming here into FNAF 2 textures, other numbers and symbols. Let's grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So let's fill this bucket. Clear the black, and let's Control C this one. And over here in the second costume, I'm gonna just Control V that one. Move it over. Doesn't matter how far you move it over, just move it over. There we go, 1 AM. And then let's delete that. Let's do the same for 2. So get rid of the black. Copy that. 2 AM. Three AM. Oops. 4 AM. And then finally we do 6 AM. Just like so. Now if you've done it right, we should have 7 costumes. The second one starting at 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, and then 6 AM. But we have one more AM here. Let's come here. Let's grab this one, Control C and Control V. Let's move it over. And then we need to go to the 2. Let's get this 2 and Control C that and put it there. And I'll move it over a bit as well, so it's not inside of the 1. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to delete that. Let's delete that too. And I'm going to move this 1 over a bit more. I need some more space. Oh, we can actually have a look at this. Okay. I think that's good. So let's grab this 2, Control C and Control V. There we go, 12 AM. So this one's going to be 0. This one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, cool. Now inside the code, when I receive start game, wait until equals, we should have made a variable like the first episode called time, so time equals 6. Then we hide the sprite, and then we stop other scripts inside of this sprite. And then underneath I'm just going to do when flag clicked hide. And then here, when I receive start game, go to XY 200 and 149, and we switch costume to 0. We show, we set time to 0, and then we repeat until equals 6, time equals 6. Switch costume to plus time plus 1, and go to front layer. And then at the end, afterwards, we just right click duplicate this, and we just do it like that. And then in another, when I receive start game, repeat until time is 6, and in FNAF 2 every single hour is 70 seconds, so wait 70 seconds and change time by 1. Just like that. That's the code for the clock. Now we need to set up some other things inside of other sprites as well, just so the game stops running when the time equals 6 because of 1. So let's have a look inside of our battery. We do need it. Okay, so back in our this sprite, let's drag this when I receive start game over onto our battery. And inside of the mask bar, we need it inside the mask bar as well, so put it in there. We need it inside of the Freddy mask, so let's put it in there. We need it inside of all of the cameras, so drag it in every single camera sprite. Just be sure we're not missing any. Camera 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's put them inside the camera buttons as well, so another 12. Nice. And also inside of the camera map, inside of the camera animation, which is just the camera sprite, inside of the camera bar, inside of the buttons, so right button and the left button. Also need it inside of the office. I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. Yep, inside the office as well. And that should be it. So now let's hit play on our game, and hopefully we just wait a bit. Hopefully we see the night number in the top right. There we go. So it's currently 12 AM. We can open the cameras, we can turn on the mask and it's not interfering. I'm gonna just decrease this to like 10 seconds just so we can see. Make sure to change it back to 70, so hopefully when it's been 10 seconds the time will change to 1 AM. Hopefully it changes to 1 AM in 10 seconds. Okay, let's restart the game because I think it's being a bit weird. Hopefully now it should wait 10 seconds and then it'll change. I think it's just a scratch bug. So So everything's working. There we go, so it's been 10 seconds and now it says 1 AM. So let's save in another 10 seconds, hopefully it changes to 2 AM. There we go, it's now 2 AM. Let's see if it changes to 3 AM. There we go, it's 3 AM. Four AM. 5 AM. And the game should completely stop when it hits 6 AM. Everything should stop. There we go. Everything stops. Cool. So that's all finished up and working now. And that's also set up so we can have a win screen whenever we, well, beat the night, I guess. So that is all good and working. Next episode, in episode 11, we are going to be setting up the start of the animatronic AI. So this should be pretty fun. We're not going to be doing any of the actual AIs to start off with, but I can tell you that our first animatronic we will be working on is going to be Nightmare, or not, or Withered Chica, and that will be in the episode afterwards. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this episode, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe so you do not miss out on next episode. Goodbye.